Human industrial civilization evolves continuously. Every technological transformation reshapes production boundaries. Founded in 1998, HCIC Hydraulics keeps pace with the times. HCIC focuses on R&D, design, manufacturing, and sales of hydraulic products, providing professional and reliable services for global users. HCIC has a 3-in-1 industrial layout. HCIC's Jinan headquarters serves as the operation and management hub, undertaking innovation management, digital drive, and global marketing services. HCIC Heavy Industry Intelligent Manufacturing Base has built an automated smart factory. As a world-class production base for hydraulic products and key components, this base provides one-stop supply and services. HCIC Juxing Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park integrates R&D, pilot testing, and manufacturing of high-end hydraulic products. Innovation is the core vitality of HCIC's development. The core innovation team, composed of senior hydraulic engineers, aims to cross industry barriers. This team focuses on improving product efficiency and durability, customizes hydraulic power units and cylinders for customers, and has accumulated over 40 patents. Adopting a closed loop of customer demand, R&D, market feedback, HCIC continuously promotes the implementation of hydraulic plus intelligent plus greenization technologies, leading product upgrading through innovation and creating global value. At HCIC, quality is never just final inspection, but full process control. HCIC adopts an ERP management system to break information barriers, realize data sharing, and standardize business processes, achieving full process digital control. Advanced equipment provides strong hardware support for quality. The fully automatic cylinder production line uses robots for automatic loading and intelligent processing, ensuring precision and high efficiency. Relying on advanced digital equipment such as CNC boring machines and CNC machining centers, HCIC implements lean production and precision manufacturing. Laser circular robot welding addresses the pain of point-of-welding leakage. Automatic polishing and fully automatic centerless grinding enables precise and stable automated production. Steam double cleaning and multi-tank ultrasonic cleaning technologies can remove 0.1 micron impurities, ensuring cleanliness. The automatic painting line uses environmentally friendly coatings. After automatic spraying and high-temperature curing, the coating achieves the highest adhesion level, with both corrosion resistance and high weather resistance. Precision testing equipment in HCIC's professional laboratory builds a solid defense line for quality. The oil cleanliness detector can capture 0.1 micron impurities, ensuring oil cleanliness meets NAS7 standard. The Micro Vickers hardness tester accurately measures the hardness of micro areas. The metallographic microscope presents the microstructure of materials in high definition. The coordinate measuring machine performs precision inspection to ensure no defects. The salt spray test comprehensively evaluates the corrosion resistance of cylinder surface coatings, ensuring product durability in harsh environments. Surface inspection strictly controls the thickness of chrome plating and painting, as well as surface roughness. Dust-free rooms greatly ensure the cleanliness of the production and assembly process. HCIC is equipped with special tools and equipment for efficient assembly of various cylinders. The fully automatic pressure tester conducts 100% pressure testing on each cylinder, with test data uploaded to the cloud in real time to ensure zero-defect delivery. The simulated working condition test restores customer application scenarios, ensuring products can be put into use immediately after installation. HCIC selects global renowned seals such as halite and NOK, which have a temperature resistance range of -70 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius and are suitable for various complex working conditions. HCIC continuously promotes high-quality product projects and extensively carries out quality management QC group activities. HCIC focuses on key quality control points and adheres to the concept of the next process is the customer, encouraging everyone to pursue excellence and focus on quality. Full process quality control and traceability are implemented throughout the process. We firmly believe that reliability simply means taking an extra inspection step where others can't see. Based on the global markets, HCIC customizes products and creates differentiated solutions for different market needs, providing full-cycle standard services such as maintenance and training. HCIC's excellent product quality has won the trust of customers worldwide, with its business covering more than 50 countries and regions. In North America, HCIC's sanitation hydraulic systems serve garbage disposal in more than 30 cities. In Europe, HCIC's construction machinery hydraulic components have become core suppliers for local well-known manufacturers. In Southeast Asia, HCIC's hydraulic solutions for new energy special vehicles contribute to the development of green transportation. In Central and North Asia, HCIC's extreme environment-resistant hydraulic equipment provides solid support for oil exploitation and infrastructure projects. HCIC serves multiple fields including environmental sanitation, new energy, automobile manufacturing, construction machinery, metallurgy and mining, and oil and gas exploitation, with over 600 product categories and more than 1,100 partners. With teamwork and cooperation as HCIC's cornerstone, we forge ahead, pursue excellence, undertake social responsibility, and contribute to society, talent education, and public welfare. In the future, HCIC will integrate 5G, AI, and industrial internet to build a dark factory. We will inject HCIC power into global industrial development and continue the legend of innovation and reliability in the hydraulic field.